Hey dear friends, Diana here. This is a quick video just to release some of the guidance and PDF for the moon eclipse, which is going to be tomorrow for almost all of us. And guess what? For me, I think there's a lot of clouds, but I'm not sure yet. Anyway, so I am going to release in here two folders. One is for the dwarf telescopes, and this one is the guide directly that Dwarf Lab provided, and there are two folders for the SEESTAR telescopes as they provided more information. So have fun, enjoy, and I hope you can catch this beautiful moon eclipse. We'll have to wake up very early, but I am going to try. Stay tuned, more videos coming, and thank you so much to my members of the YouTube membership. There's a lot coming in the next few days, and I am preparing some good videos with PDF documents and the cheat sheets. Thank you so much. If you want to know about more of my editing process, just please join my membership program. And in this program, I provide lots of tutorials with PDF documents of all the steps for PixInsight and soon for Cyril and SETI Astro Suite, especially those cheat sheets.